Hi everyone, Ate Myra here, and for today's video, pag-uusapan pa rin natin yung CIMB Bank PH app, and we will talk about GSave account. And as you all know guys, yung GSave account is powered by CIMB, diba? And talking about CIMB, maybe it will be great as well kung pag-uusapan din natin yung other products ni CIMB. Andyan na po yung Fast account, meron din po yung Fast Plus account, and as well as itong UpSave account. Let's see kung anong difference nila, alin yung mas mabuti or mas magandang savings account. And also guys, did you know na yung CIMB ay meron ding free CIMB card. As you can see, of course, this is just a sample kasi nagsisimula pa lang tayo ng ating CIMB savings. Also, syempre, gusto ko na sabayan nyo akong mag-save dito sa CIMB, guys. And let's see, sabay tayong matuto, okay? But anyway, I hope na you watch this video and see ya! I still have an ongoing giveaway. If hindi ka pa nakapag-join, ano pang hinihintay mo guys? Join na. Ililink ko sa baba yung video ha. Sali ka na and good luck sa'yo. So anyway, proceed na tayo sa video. Okay, so guys, pag-usapan muna natin yung Fast account or Fast and Fast Plus account. Magkaiba po yung Fast account sa Fast Plus account, guys. Ha? Okay, so itong Fast account, 10 minutes lang daw yung pag-open ng savings account. Wala pong initial deposit at maintaining balance. Tapos, meron pang interest rate po of 0.5% per annum. At ang kagandahan guys, meron po silang Visa PayWave ATM debit card. At pag naka-accumulate po tayo ng deposit of 1,000, pwede po nating ma-avail itong free Visa PayWave ATM debit card, which is so cool guys, 'di ba? Pero yung validity po ng Fast account is only 12 months. At inward and outward foreign remittances po ay hindi po available. Pero if you wish to upgrade your Fast account to a Fast Plus account, tapos ma-unlock po yung full benefits of a savings account, then instead of 0.5% per annum na interest, magiging 0.75% per annum na po. So, longer account validity, hindi na po 12 months, at wala na pong maximum limit on balances, which is so cool. So, mag-start muna tayo with Fast account, then until 12 months lang kasi siya, so kailangan po natin mag-upgrade to a Fast Plus account. Alright? So, Fast account is 0.5%, yung Fast Plus account naman is 0.75% per annum. Alright, so guys, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung UpSave account ni CIMB Bank PH app. So, as you can see, wow, tumataginting po na 2.5% po yung per annum interest rate. Ang kagandahan, monthly interest payout po siya. Wala pong maximum cap on deposits at wala pong lockup period. And also, ayun nga, 2.5 or 2.50% po yung yearly interest rate. Meron pang free life insurance coverage up to 2 million pesos na hindi na po kailangan ng medical check-up. Meron din po silang monthly interest payouts. Wala pong minimum balance required para makapag-earn ng interest. Wala pong maximum cap on deposit, and pwede tayong makapag-transfer ng funds from our account without any incurring penalty charges. Wow, I think this is so cool guys, kaso wala silang ino-offer na PayWave debit card, right? But let me see. So Visit our promo page to learn how to earn up to 3.88% per annum if you deposit at least 25,000 exclusive for UpSave account holders until December 31. So this is a great promo, guys. I think until December 31, pwede tayong makapag-earn up to 3.88% per annum. Okay? Exclusive for customers who maintain at least 100,000 average daily balance for 1 month. Ay, ganun. Anyway, to know more about that, alright, so guys, if you want to open CIMB Bank UpSave account, please take note po of the following, especially po yung list of valid IDs na ina-accept po nila. I hope you have one of these po. And also, pwede po nating ma-enjoy yung high interest rate po of 2.5% per annum. Ang kagandahan, pwede tayo makapag-earn ng interest kahit walang initial deposit, wala ding minimum balance required, and we are free to withdraw our deposits at any point in time without any penalty po. And also, pwede din tayo magkaroon ng free life insurance kapag nakapag-maintain po tayo ng minimum average daily balance of 100,000 pesos. Wow. And this is how we can compute the interest rate of the UpSave account, guys. Take note nyo lang, guys, ha? Hindi ako ganun kagaling sa math. Pero as you can see, compute natin yung nominal interest amount, yung withholding tax amount, tsaka yung net interest amount. Meron namang examples sa baba, guys. So, ayan na siya. So, for example, we have 100,000 pesos po na average daily balance. Tapos, yung number of days in the month is 30 days. That's the usual kasi, guys, ano? At yung interest rate is 2.5%. Yung withholding tax kasi is 20%. So, kung kukunin po natin yung nominal interest amount, makikita po natin dito na yung 100,000 pesos na average daily balance will be multiplied by 30 days. I-divide mo po siya sa 360 days in a year at i-multiply mo po siya sa 2.5% po na interest. And that will make it 208.33 pesos. That's the nominal interest amount po. Now, sa withholding tax naman kasi 20% po yung withholding tax. So, ang gawin natin yung 100,000 i-multiply po natin ng 30 days tapos i-divide po natin ng 360 days in a year. I-multiply po natin siya ng 2.5% na interest. I-multiply din to 20% na withholding tax. And that will make it 41.67 pesos. Yan po yung magiging tax po kapag 100,000 po yung ating average daily balance. Now, ang net interest amount po, of course, kailangan nating i-deduct doon yung ating yung ating tax, right? So, 208.33, ito yung interest natin. I-deduct po natin siya sa tax, withholding tax amount na 41.67. So, magiging total niya po is 166.67 po. Okay, ito po yung magiging interest rate ng inyong UpSave account. So, that's just an example, guys. If you want, you can take note of this para malaman niyo po kung how much yung magiging interest rate if you have this certain amount of deposit, right? And lastly, guys, meron silang promo. Makaka-earn tayo ng up to 3.88 per annum interest if you deposit at least 25,000 pesos. Exclusive for UpSave account holders until December 31, 2019. And also, exclusive po siya for customers who maintain at least 100,000 pesos average daily balance for 1 month. So this is the promo, guys. Marami silang promo actually, pero late, maybe in the next videos, pag-uusapan natin yung mga promos nila. But for now, itong UpSave, meron silang promo na pwede tayong makapag-earn ng 3.88% per annum. Wow! How cool! Alright, so guys, pag-usapan naman natin yung GSave account ni CIMB Bank. And as you can see, wow, 3% PA interest rate po. Walang monthly interest payout, walang maximum cap on deposits, at wala pong lockup period. Ito po ay exclusive for GSave account holders until December 31. So there's a big chance bababa po yung interest rate by the end of this year. But as you can see, dito naman guys, ito yung mga features ni GSave account. We can grow our savings with our very high yearly interest rate of 4%. Walang initial deposit required, walang minimum or maintaining balance required para makapag-earn na interest. Pwede nating ma-view yung account balance at saka transaction history sa ating GCash app. At pwede nating ma-move yung money natin from GCash wallet papuntang GSave account using our GCash app. Itong 4% guys, as you can see, 4% dito, tapos dito naman 3%. Itong 4% po is exclusive po para sa mga account holders or GSave account holders until December 31 for accounts with 25,000 and up. Okay? If less than 25,000, then you will have 3% PA interest rate. Okay? And yun lang pwede natin gawin for now. Pero coming soon na po, yung pwede tayong makapag-access to view and maintain account through the app, which is the CIMB Bank app. At coming soon na rin po yung pag-deposit and withdraw through any of our 8,000 plus CIMB partner locations nationwide, online transfer between CIMB accounts, and many more. Okay. And you may deposit up to 100,000 pesos to your GSave account for 12 months po. Now, check lang natin very quick itong terms and conditions kasi meron akong nakita dito kanina. Hold on. As you can see dito po, sa interest, paano mag-compute ng interest ng GSave account. So, average daily balance, for example po, is 100,000. Tapos, yung number of days in a month is 30 days. Yung interest rate po dito, nakalagay is 2%. Di ba po 3%? At saka 4% po kapag ano. And dito, nakalagay is 2%. So, I don't know why 2% pong nakalagay dyan. Typo error lang ba or what? But, yes, yun lang po yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, right? And same lang din ang computation, pero nagkaiba lang po sa interest rate, right? As you can see, kanina, pinakita ko po kung paano mag-compute with the UpSave account ng interest rate. Ngayon naman, same lang din for the nominal interest amount, withholding tax amount, tsaka net interest amount, same lang, nagkaiba yung interest rate. Pero I don't know why dito sa GSave account 2% at hindi 3% yung nakalagay na interest rate. Bakit kaya? What do you think?